Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, I just hope at least you guys you have subscribed to my channel because I got more of recipes to share with you today. And on today's video, like today's recipe, I just want to share with you Omena recipe, Sardines in English. We call it Omena in Luo, yeah, in our native language. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. 2.5 tomatoes, but I just hope I see like I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. Yeah, those are the onions, half, and the quarter one, the one that I left yesterday. They are just from the fridge. And this is my vegetable oil. I don't miss using this brand Fresh Fry fortified vegetable cooking oil. It's my favorite, of course. And this is the main meal. This is what I'm going to prepare for you guys. In Kenya najua mnaelewa hii sana, kwanza wajaluo mnapenda omena, and this I just love it. My kids love it as well, and I know you can't wait to see, you can't miss the end results of these guys. So it's gonna be a wet fried omena. I'm not doing the ile yenye iko na supu mingi. I'm just going to try out the wet fried omena, and of course that is the cooking stick that I'm going to use. That is ugali I had prepared is earlier. Remember ni usiku and najaribu kutengeneza sapa mapema pia. So this is the sufuria that I'm going to use as well to do the frying session. So guys, let's get into this video. Let's start with the ingredients that I got. Of course, salt and other spices, I'm going to include them as well. And now from here, I'm going to start by chopping the tomatoes. Let me start by chopping the tomatoes, and here they are. I decided to chop everything, tomatoes, the onions. At this point, I only used 2 tomatoes. Will be enough for that omena that I'm going to prepare. Yeah, these are the onions, of course. I love them. I love that size. I don't like the big size. I just love it medium, or rather not that smaller, but the medium size of it, as well as the tomatoes. So let's get into the favorite part of this. I'll go ahead and start with pouring all the omena that I had. I love them to dry, like to wet. No, not even to wet fry, to fry them first, to dry fry them. Yeah, let me use that word. I hope you guys you are understanding. And I'm going to stir until all of it like iko na mafuta, imeshika mafuta yote. We are waiting for that perfect color, the golden brown. Hatutaki iungue, hatutaki pia iwe soft, and that is the color that I was talking about, guys. After that, you go ahead and add in your onions, then you stir so gently. And guys, this is my results. Wow, I just love it. Aina super mingi, and I love it that way. Remember, I added a little bit of water. Sikutaka niyeke that watery, but it looks amazing, very delicious. Guys, I hope you're going to try this out, and let me just see some of your comments. What do you love? What do you wish me to prepare on the next video? And yeah, let's see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to like at the end. Don't forget to subscribe.